Important collocations.
Collocations with keep.
Watch till the end for better experience. Hello. Go abroad. Go abroad.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go along. Go along. Go on. Go on. Go bankrupt. Go bankrupt. Go by. Go by. Go camping. Go camping. Go away. Go away. Go crazy. Go crazy. Go dark. Go dark. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Go hiking. Go hiking. Go home. Go home. Go jogging. Go jogging. Go missing. Go missing. Go insane. Go insane. Go off. Go off. Go out. Go out. Go over. Go over. Go pear-shaped. Go pear-shaped. Go public. Go public. Go swimming. Go swimming. Go to bed. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you wish to get a high score, follow us for more.